The Caribbean Premier League is an annual TWENTY20 cricket tournament held in the Caribbean. It was created in 2013 and replaced the Caribbean TWENTY20 as the premier TWENTY20 competition in the Caribbean. It is currently sponsored by Hero MotoCorp and consequently officially named the Hero CPL. The inaugural tournament was won by the Jamaica Talawas, who defeated the Guyana Amazon Warriors in the final. TWENTY20 domestic cricket first appeared in an organized manner in the West Indies in 2006 with the privately organized Stanford 2020s. The second and last edition of the Stanford competition was officially made part of the West Indies Cricket Board calendar in 2008, after which the tournament ended when its sponsor Alan Stanford was charged with fraud and arrested in June 2009. The next organized TWENTY20 competition came about with the creation of the Caribbean TWENTY20 tournament by the WICB. The Caribbean TWENTY20 was created to fill the gap left by the end of the Stanford 2020s and to coincide with the 2010 Champions League TWENTY20 tournament, which started less than 2 months after. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.